Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making a Sunnah food salad with the Sunnah foods in it. And a Sunnah food is food that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ liked to eat and were really good for you. So what you need for the Sunnah food salad is vegetables. You can use any vegetables you want. I'm using lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and I'm going to be using the Sunnah food, which is olives, and some olive oil in here, and I will be using a little bit of salt, and obviously the bowl to put this food in, the vegetables in, and a knife just to cut. You have to be careful. So I'm just going to put these to the side because I'm going to use them at the end, and we can get started. Right, I'm going to start off by cutting